Some reward games let you earn points from short sessions, but the amount you get depends on the app's reward system, available tasks, and redemption rules. By the end, you'll know how to identify reward apps that fit quick 5-minute sessions and what to check before spending your time on them. The first thing to check is how the app rewards activity. Some apps give points for playing games, completing levels, reaching milestones, or trying specific features. A 5-minute session only makes sense if the progress system allows you to earn something without needing long daily sessions. The second thing to check is the minimum redemption requirement. An app may offer rewards, but you need to know how many points are required before you can exchange them. Look for apps that clearly explain the redemption process before you start playing. The third factor is whether the game matches your available time. Some games are designed around quick interactions, while others require longer sessions to make progress. If you only have a few minutes, choose apps that let you stop and continue later, without losing progress. Another thing to review is how the app handles notifications and permissions. Some reward apps request access or send frequent alerts to bring you back. Check the settings, and only allow permissions that make sense for the app's purpose. You should also read recent user reviews before downloading. Reviews can show whether users are satisfied with the reward process, app performance, and overall experience. Do not judge a reward app only by advertisements. The actual experience depends on how the point system works, and how easy it is to redeem rewards. A common mistake is installing many reward apps and spreading your time across all of them. More apps do not always mean more rewards. Test a small number of apps, track your progress, and remove the ones that do not fit your routine. The best quick session reward apps are the ones that match your schedule and clearly explain how rewards work. Before choosing one, check 3 things: how you earn points, how rewards are redeemed, and how much time the app realistically requires. Your next step is to read the reward rules before downloading any app, and decide whether the time required fits your daily routine. If this guide helped you choose reward apps more carefully, like the video and subscribe for more practical reviews of earning apps, survey platforms, and online money tools.